Alright, hey guys. Right now I want to show you how to make a messy spackled wall look just using the sheetrock compound, spackling compound, anything you have. You just need for example, this rubber float trowel. You can also use a wooden one, I did that before, and one of these guys. So we're going to apply the spackle, pretty thick layer to the wall. And then we're gonna show you guys how to do a messy look with one of these. You wanna definitely mix up your compound first, just so it has a good texture. The bubbles don't really matter because we're going for a messy look, but if you don't want bubbles, definitely give it a better mix. So what I'm doing is applying. I'm gonna start from the bottom normally. Right now I just wanna show you guys how I do this, so I'll start right here. I'm gonna do a couple layers. Let's go a little more so we can get a good view. Alright, so once you have your spackle applied, all you do is, it's really up to you what you can do. You can give it a little twist. Pull it away and it will give you like a little frayed look. And you just continue this along the whole wall. And so on. You can fix this up as it takes a while to dry. Over here we have to go a little thicker. Before I did this, since my walls are painted, I did score with some 80 grit sandpaper just so we have better adhesion of the spackle to the wall. If you're doing it over sheetrock, then you're good to go. And that's it. Another thing people do is literally with their hands do designs. If you really want to get crazy, something like this. So you want to cover like most of your wall and then just hit the whole wall. One thing I recommend is doing, one person should do the entire room, or at least each wall. Everybody has a different style, so if two people are going to be doing this, it will come out different, it will be noticeable. So yeah, now I want to show you guys one more style that I did on my ceiling. Let me show you really quick. So as you see, it's a little different, smoother. And the way we did this is with a paint roller. So we're gonna just smooth this out. Beautiful thing is this stuff takes some time to dry, so you have time to change up your designs. All we did, I think this is a 3/8 paint roller. If you go slowly, it's gonna just grab and give you a design like this. If you go quickly, it will change it up. So you can mess around with different speed of how the design you want to be. You can go sideways, and so on. So that's another easy way, quick way of doing it to get a more uniform pattern. If you don't want the messy look all different, you just literally gonna go. And there's your wall. You can use the small ones for corners. That's about it. Either one will work. Definitely give it time to dry. At least 24 hours, depending on the humidity and the temperature. Once this dries out, we do have to paint it. We're going to use an oil-based primer. The reason for this is spackle likes water. If we're going to paint it with water-based primer, it's going to absorb it and it's going to start cracking. We're going to paint this with a nice coat of oil-based primer. Kills brand, I think I purchased. And once that dries out, we'll just hit it with some paint. And we're going to have really unique looking walls. So hopefully this is helpful. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Any comments or questions you have, comment. and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.